Aí, criar assim, rapaz.
Pelote.
E ficou. O bicho vai pegar, viu, velho?
Aí depois aqui, ó.
O bicho vai pegar, viu, velho?
Ué?
O bicho vai pegar aqui, viu?
Ué?
O bicho vai pegar.
Until the philosophy which old one race superior and another inferior is finally and permanently discredited and abandoned. Everywhere is war. It's a war that until they're no longer first class and second class citizens of any nation, until the color of a man's skin is of no more significance than the color of his eyes. Miss a war that until the basic human rights are equally guaranteed to all without regard to race. This a war that until that day, the dream of lasting peace, world citizenship, rule of international morality will remaining but a fleeting illusion to be pursued but never attained. Now everywhere is war, war, and until the ignoble and unhappy regime that hold our brothers in Angola, in Mozambique, South Africa, subhuman bondage have been toppled, totally destroyed. Well, everywhere